Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like Lists. My name is Alyssa and I'm from the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today's video is just going to be a little bit different. I'm just going to show you how I fill in my tracker sheets. Okay, so as you know, I have 3 binders. This binder is like my weekly binder for weekly expenses, and then right here I have kind of like the savings binder, and then this is my little to-go binder that I carry in my purse. So if you haven't noticed in my other videos, in my binders behind each category, I do have a budget sheet and I write down the amounts here. So for me, in my binders, I like to have my tracker sheet right behind, so it's like in another kind of like cash envelope of itself, so that when I'm looking at my money or I need to, you know, refer back to, I can just see it right here in the back. And then when I fill it up, then I can just turn it around and put it back in here. So I just like to see the numbers if I do need to refer back. Okay, so from the last video, I did not put in the amounts because I wanted to share it with you. So we're gonna start off with myself. So last time, I'll just take out my tracker sheet. Okay. Let's see. Just do a little setup here. Can you see that? Okay. So, as you can see, last time, I had a remainder of $4 that was left over. So that's $4, and then I had added in $15. Okay, and also I'm just going to refer back to, as you know, I have my little journal, and this is how I do my cash breakdown. So the last stuffing that I did was for my April paycheck number 2, and then this is all of the categories and then the monies that were allotted to each one. Okay, so last time I had $4 remaining, and altogether I have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I added $15. So I'm just going to, I'll just put the date for today. So 4/28. And then I'm going to put plus 15. And then you just add up the two. So I have $4 from the last time, and then I just added in 15. So now the remaining balance is $19. Okay. I'm kind of filming this video a little bit late. The sun is still up, but I feel like it's gonna go down soon. So I'm gonna try and finish this quickly, but I wanted to do it with you guys. Okay, so the next category is bills. Last time we had $330, and we added in $120 last paycheck. So I'm going to do plus 120. Okay, so 330 plus 120 should be $450. So 100, 200, 250, 300, 350, 4, 20, 40, 45, 50. Okay, so $450. Okay, next is travel. And for travel, last time we had $120. And then last paycheck, we added $20. So it should be $140. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40. So $140. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, my cat came in the office and was about to make some noise and started scratching. So I just closed the door for now. So hopefully he won't be making noise. But if you do hear something, that's just him. Okay, next is household. And last time we had $10, and this time we added $10 as well. So plus 10, and we should have $20. So 10, 15, 20. Okay. And then Lucy and Dash. Last time we had $20. And then last time we added $10. So we should have $30 altogether. So 10, 20, 25, and 30. $30 for Lucy and Dash. Okay, so that's it for the weekly binder. And then the next binder will be the savings binder. Okay, so first is emergency. So emergency had $60 last time, and then we added $20 last paycheck. So we should have $80 now. Okay, so altogether 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay, and then next will be vacation. Last time for vacation we had $80, and last paycheck we added $20. So altogether we should have exactly $100. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. So we are making progress with the vacation envelope. Okay. All right. Next envelope is gifts. And last time for gifts, we had $40. And then we added in $10. So we should have $50. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, and 50. $50 for gifts. Okay. Next category is holidays. Last time for holidays we had $40, and then this time we added $10. So plus 10, and we should have $50. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. $50 for holidays. Okay. And then future. Last time future had $55, and we added $15. So 428 plus 15, so we should have $70. 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70. $70 for future. Okay, so this is it for my budget trackers. And if you're wondering, for my to-go binder, I don't have trackers in there, just because that's something that I reach for most of the time. So it's nothing like, you know, the amounts will be changing and it won't be constant. So as you can see, my mini binder, it just has golf, groceries, beauty, eating out, and miscellaneous. So for these, it's just if I need it, I will take out of these envelopes. Nothing where I need to track how much I have, because it's something that I will always reach for. Okay, so that's it for my budget trackers, and I know that this was a really fast video, but I just wanted to share this video just in case you're wondering how I track my money. And yeah, I just wanted to put out this video for you guys. And also today I'm making progress. I'm making my 100 envelopes, so I'm getting there. And then unfortunately my label maker broke today, so I have to order a new one. So it should be coming in probably by Monday, I would say. But yeah, I'm almost done with the 100 envelopes, and next video when I cash stuff, I should have all of those done. But thank you so much everybody for all of your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.